nandun. Ang village to.
Hotel din yun.
Okay. Let's just stay in there.
Die Garmin-Erdbahn dankt für Ihren Besuch und verabschiedet sich von Ihnen.
Eh, ganda. Oh.
Ladies and gentlemen, in a few minutes we will arrive at Zermatt. Please have your ticket ready for the electronic turnstile.
Ano nga?
Bornograd Railway thanks you for traveling with us and bids you goodbye.
Ang mga bahay nila. May hotel. Ay, may panaderia. Oh, go on that bungee jumping. May hotel nila. Dito na ba? Zermatt na? Bilis pa lang. Nagkapabalik. Yung kanilang transport. Mode of transport, the small one. Ito yung nagkukuhan kanina. Bungee jumping. Mga houses nila. Ayan yung bakery. Kanilang mode of transport nila. Les Chalets, Les Chalets. Ganda, ha? Yeah, watch out. Pux. Zermatt Pux. Mistral. Ito mga chalet. House in Switzerland. Yan si Bunso.
Nag-slingshot!
Nag-slingshot. Tirador. Yan si Mami. At ito mga gulay. Check our gulay here. Get some broccoli. Broccoli, wala pang bunga. Got beans, Baguio beans. Yan. Lettuce.
Oh, Daddy!
Don't know what this one.
Hi, Daddy!
Sa Zermatt. What? Picture? Ayan. View of Zermatt. Walking into the village.
Walking down the streets, feeling the breeze. In the sunshine state with dreams come with ease. Palm trees swaying.
Say hello to you. Kasi say hello.
I always feel brand new. Sipping on the smoothie, chilling
Coming back to school.
my shades on, feeling like I can't be ignored. Sun-kissed skin,
That's his mom.
alive with a soft rap thing.
Our house is here.
Waves crashing on the sand.
The Fern.
I ride the vibe,
Hotel Excelsior.
flowing.
Excelsior.
I'm the king of the school of food to
Yan,
catch
mga
you.
house dito.
Ladies moving and the fellas shook.
Mga modern house.
Just down the boulevard with the top down low. Music blasting loud, feeling the flow. Neon lights flicker in the night's embrace. Lost in the moment in this rhythmic chase.
Grill, bar, restaurant.
As I pass the by,
Ayan, gusto nyo inom, punta lang kayo dito. Ito. Oh, very nice house in here. Ayan, mga bahay nila, mga lumang bahay. Ito pala yun. Ayan, gaganda. Ayan, oh. Mantik. Mga century old house. Ano lang, ah. Doon na lang sila lumulusot ah. Andito pala yun, mga bahay na luma. Ayan. Picture tayo. Ano picture kanina eh. Sa mga lumang bahay. Yan, dito pwede. Dito tayo dito. Yes. Baka si congressman to. Maraming congressman to sa kwan eh. Ito. Ito. Opo, nagkatagalog po yan.
Yeah, Tagalog yan.
Ano, what do you know Tagalog?
Oh, yes you do.
Tilapia. Tikbalang. Tikbalang, saka
No.
manananggal. Manananggal.
You know, they live in old houses, right?
Yan, mga lumang bahay.
Stay away.
Wala na, wala na. Pagka 25% lang naman eh. Sige po, opo.
Nice meeting you.
Nice to meeting you, sir. Bye-bye.
Hey, Bessie, ha?
Dito? Ilan kami inulan. Kung kailan patapos na holiday, saka umulan, ito yung mga bahay nila. It's like a house in Ifugao. Very old house. They got like concrete in there. So the rats won't go up. Meow meow. Sa meow meow. Acting.
Acting lang. Ay, doon.
So dito tayo. Silong-silong tayo si Silong. Ito pa yung bahay na luma. Antique house. Say it. Oh, ayos. At the count of 3. 1, 2, wacky. Oh, no, not wacky. Not wacky yet. I said wacky, count of 3. I said not yet. Do it again. Ito, kanilang mga house dito. Parang museum. It's like a museum. The place is like a museum.
Mommy, how far away the hotel?
Marites.
Hindi ka na po ako ng utang.
Hindi sa Marites uso ngayon.
Dad, Wende, Manang.
Bahay nila yun. Yan ang ganda ng mga bahay nila. Judith. Ito ang mga street nila. You can go now. We're going now. It's the houses in Switzerland. Old houses. It's like a living museum. The Art Gallery Zermatt. And Art Gallery Zermatt. Ano to? What you call this one? Hinterdor. It's like Harry Potter. Doodledore. Oh, Hinterdor. Oh, watch out. Ano sa? Water, oh. Free water yan. You can drink that one. Ito ka na naman mode of transport. Ito, Zermatt lang po tayo, Zermatt. If you want to see this one, contact us. Gonna give you a discount for professional fee for information. Wala po, mga 20 pounds per minute. You're gonna ask question and you got 2 minutes, 20 pounds. I give you a discount. Trust me. Yan. Or ganun you need a tour guide, just call me. Comment down below. Ayan, Zermatt Kitchen. Ay, galing yung kanila mga transport dito. Ayan. All electric. Petrol and gasoline. Oh no. Petrol and diesel is not allowed on this part of Switzerland. Everything's electric. Even the bike look electric. Ay, daming bulaklak. Ganda. Picture. Daming tourist. Yan, mountain. Up. Bikers. Joining in Decathlon. Seven. Ito mga wine. You want some wine? May nagbaba. May tennis dito. Tennis, they're playing tennis even it's raining. Ayan, mountain. Raining. Steady. Ha? Si Kabayan, halo si Kabayan. Ito yung mga bundok. Omega, oh. Omega. You want some Omega?
Yes, please.
I got one already.
Oh, man.
Test. Triga. Wali Serkan. Ito, Sermat. Bayard. Nice village. Tisot. Got lots of tisot in here. Mabili siguro. Ay, ganda nung ano. Ito, restaurant. Ganda oh. Different colors. Cheap.
I got the new watch. Got the new watch.
Okay, open mo.
After the watch.
Open mo.
Oh, I'll make them all. I watch.
Okay. Open mo.
Huh?
Is it the right time? Is it the right time? Ay, ikaw din. Mag-omega ka rin. Kasi omega.
Omega power. It's not time yet. It's time.
Hala, solve na naman si Yonggi.
Shop ko yun. Mama, yung string shop ko.
Tagal na. Sa video. Ito. Hablot. Hablo.
I'm the only one
Pollux.
that's Omega. That's not very good. Oh, Daddy still has to give me a watch when we get back home. He promised. So promise is a promise. You have to get me in no matter what.
I don't know. I cannot find my watch. Got two watches.
Ala, Daddy.
I cannot find it. Just lost it. Kasama to. We going. Bye-bye. Thank you, Switzerland. You spent all your money into you. Going back to Interlaken. Yan, Zermatt. Dami-dami ng turista. Dahil mga French Chinese yan. Yan. May McDonald's. Yan, pipil trip yan. Punta sa kanyan. Oh, Montclair. Ito pala Montclair. Oh. Montclair. Pala yung Montclair. Sa McDo, oh. Sa mga shop nila dun. Ilang lipat tayo? A potato, fine potato.
Dada, what else could you shoot with the fish?
What else can you shoot? Rats.
You could.
Huh? Dark one? May Rolex. If you want a Rolex yan.
Yes, please.
Say Butcherer.
Gucci roll.
Don't like Rolex. I sold it. Too expensive. She sold it. And then sometimes I regret it. Now I cannot buy it anymore. Ito na ang train station. Going back to Interlaken. Bye, Sir Matt.